Yeah.
Hi, baby. Hi, Mama. Hi, baby. Oh, is you soft? See, they do it like this on this side, you know, or they do the other side. Oh, yes.
You can lift those kind of horses up, huh?
Carry them around, so I've got
Yeah.
big.
Oh, what a soft baby.
Dana enters the ghost pony.
Got the video. There you go.
Gonna lift you up, okay?
Oh, there you go.
Followed me home. It's mine, right? Can I keep it? Honest, you followed me home.
That little Marius.
Yeah, how about
And look how she accepts it.
The mama say, but that's my baby.
Tom, look
Is this yours? What am I doing, huh? Oh.
Look at the little soft wicker she's
Yeah, she's like, hey now, be nice to my little one. Oh, I got you. There you go. Hi. Oh, you gonna nibble on me? You gonna nibble on me?
Watch it, Tom.
Yeah, he's like, you have no idea, kid. Hey, watch it. Watch it. Look at that wrinkly nose. Right there, the itchy spot. Alright, there, get that spot. You're gonna get spunky, huh?
Big only if you stop.
Yeah.
You keep the massage going and it's all sunshine, but you stop that massage, man, and we're going to have words.
You can return the
Well, there's a lot of side.
The other side, is that it?
She's from a pony, so you're walking on the grass.